Hi, Robin here with Lean, Healthy, Ageless and one of the co-authors of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. I wanted to give you an update on my workout progress and what I've been doing while I've been traveling. Now, I've been working out with very heavy weights at a very slow pace. So this workout is different than what I have been doing. But I think for the little over than 2 weeks I was gone, I got in maybe 4 or 5 workouts. And I felt that for my vacation, that was perfect. It helped me maintain what I've done so far, which by the way, we're at about 3 months right now on my super slow heavy resistance training at the perfect workout. And I'm happy to say that I have had incredible strength gains. Just to give you a little idea, I've gone up in my glute strength about 46%. I started at 177 pounds on the leg press, and last week I was up to 260 pounds. So it's pretty incredible how fast I've been building strength. And I'm going to have a follow-up video in about a month, maybe 2, to show you my overall progress in strength and in physique, what is happening and where that's changing. But today I just wanted to show you a really simple total body workout that you can do when you're traveling, when you're on vacation. You can use the bands like I talked about, body weight or dumbbells, and just use the furniture that you have around you and the ground to get this workout in. If you're interested in learning more about the regular workout that I'm doing in my hometown when I'm not traveling, that super slow strength training that is really increasing my strength and my muscle building, check out the link that I provide. You can learn more about it, and you can get a free trial if you want to try it out for yourself. And I'll post some additional links below that demonstrate that workout that I'm doing and give you a little bit more information about how I'm getting those results.